I'm doing a tutorial for you for the center parts, both stage left and stage right center. We'd like center people to learn both.
Stage left half.
There are secrets on a leaf, in the water, in the air, hidden planets, tiny worlds, all invisible.
Stage right.
Not a person seems to know, not a person seems to care. There is no one who believes a thing I say.
Hold the center.
But I'm fairly certain at one time or other, great thinkers all feel this way. Repeat that after me. 1, 2, 3.
Here's the intro. Stage left. Stage right. All center.
Now you will hear Joe in the background singing faintly the outsider's part, and I'm going to continue with center. For the next several measures, all of center sings together.
So we've just finished. It's all feel this
And here comes stage left outside only.
I'm alone in the universe, so alone in the universe. My own planets and stars are glowing.
Alone in the universe.
No one.
Ooh, have any way of knowing? Nobody knows. 1, 2, 3.
I'm alone in the universe, so alone in the universe. My own planets and stars are glowing.
No one notices. Not one person is. They don't. Now we are going to continue with the center part, and anybody who is doing stage left center, we're going to go from nobody knows all the way through the all on it's possible. Here we go. Nobody knows that I have wings. Yes, I can fly around the moon and far beyond the sky. Well, someday soon you will hear my plea. One small voice in the universe.
One true friend in the universe, left outside.
Who believes in me?
It's possible.
It's possible. 1, 2, 3.
One true friend in the universe, who believes in me.
Believes in me.
It's possible.
It's possible. 1, 2, 3. continuing now with the same part for center, but this one reflects what the stage right center people will do. Here we go. Nobody knows I have wings. I can fly and far beyond the sky. Well, someday soon you will hear my plea. One small voice in the universe. Who believes in me? It's possible.
Back down to play.
1, 2, 3.
Nobody knows.
Okay, now we are going to continue on with the stage left half and the stage right half. We're going to do just what we've been doing all the way through. Maybe some fish might be swimming toward me.
Okay, we've just finished. It's possible.
This might be a pool like I've read of in books, connected to one of those underground brooks, an underground river that starts here and flows right under the bathtub, and then who knows? It's possible. Anything's possible. This might be a river, now mightn't it be, connecting the Gallagher's pool with the sea? Then maybe some fish might be swimming toward me. 1, 2, 3.
It's possible. Stage left.
Stage right half. Stage left half. Stage right half. All center. Hi, so now we are continuing on with the oo section. And these oos are in 3-part harmony, and we would like you all to learn all 3. The top, the middle, and the bottom. Here we go, we're starting with the top. When I sit here and fish in McGilligan's pool, it's possible, anything's possible. It's possible, anything's possible. 1, 2, 3. Now we are continuing with the middle part. When I sit here and fish in McGilligan's pool, it's possible, anything's possible. It's possible, anything's possible. 2, 3.
Oh, the
Now we are continuing with the low part.
oh, the
Ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh. When I sit here and fish in the Gallagher's pool, it's possible, anything's possible. It's possible, anything's possible.
top of the page.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, the next page now.
Now we are continuing with almost the home stretch of the center part here. We start out singing all together as center, and then we separate into stage left and stage right half, and you will hear Mr. B shout it out. We're going to go all the way up until almost the end, and then we'll do the end separately, which has separate harmonies. I have wings, I can fly, and far beyond the sky. Well, someday soon, I know there you'll be. One small voice in the universe, one true friend in the universe. Who believes in me? Who believes in me?
Top of the page.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, I have wings. Yes, I can. I love you. Left half. Right half.
Here we are at the last 3 bars where there are several harmonies, and again you are going to learn all of them. We are starting with the lowest harmony. Anything's possible. 1, 2, 3. Hi, we are now writing this part in. This is the second harmony up from the bottom. The first one was a D as your lowest note. This is an F sharp. Anything's possible. 1, 2, 3. Here's the next harmony up from the bottom. Now this one lands on an A. And anything's possible. 1, 2, 3. Continuing on, this next one is the next one up, so the fourth one up from the bottom, and this one lands on a D. And anything's possible. 1, 2, 3. And here is the final harmony, which is the highest note up. It's the high F sharp. And anything's possible. 1, 2, 3.